Wow, wow, wow. Listen to that rain. I'm gonna turn off my I'm quickly gonna turn off my noise cancellation so you guys can hear that amazing, beautiful rain. And then we're gonna get into the Bible verse of the day. So anyways guys, today we took 4 back testing trades. Listen to that rain. So amazing. Let me take you guys there. Ooh. Don't want to get the laptop wet. Well, oh! That was sick. I'm gonna make that the thumbnail. I lost these AI thumbnails, bro. Anyways, I made an Instagram today, so make sure to follow that up. It's No Days Off Trading. So just search No Days Off Trading, no spaces, or with spaces. I think it should pop up anyways. And we took 1 live trade, very, very small win. And we backtested 4 trades. So actually, let's get into the Bible verse of the day, which is a very delicious one. Philippians 4 verse 13 says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. You guys need to get a view of these lightning strikes. They're so sick. Anyways, keep an eye out in the background for that lightning. And let's get straight into the video. Oh! Okay. That's so awesome, bro. So as you can see, we took a small win. Come on. Come on. Let's just put auto scroll on. I'm getting a little bit scared now, guys, because I have to shower. So we longed over here. We took take profit 1 here. Very small risk to reward ratio, and then we got stopped out here. As you can see, the stop loss wasn't at break even, so that took away a little bit of our profits. So it was a 66-cent win. Okay, not so big, not so small. I mean, not so big, very small. But let's get into the chart right here. I'm just at awe with the amazing beauty of God and His creation and His wonder. Wow. Okay, so as you can see, we touched the lows over here and we entered long. I think on this candle right here. Yeah, right here on this candle. And I take profit 1, as you can see. Woo! Was very low right here. Oh my days. I'm scared of like an animal's gonna fly into my room because there's been mice, monkeys, and that's all in our house. So that's crazy. But this thunder, it's so scary. And my uncle's showering right now. I hope he's all good. Woo! Where was I? We took a long Jeepers, bro. We took a long, very small risk to reward ratio. We hit it. I should have honestly, realistically made it at the top here, so we could have at least secured a little bit of profit. Then we got stopped us down here. So it was basically a break-even day today. As you can see, less than $1 profit, 0.1%. 4 hours bullish, 30 minutes bullish. Decent trade. I mean, I could have executed it better. No take profits hit. Are you sure? No, that's not true, bro. We take profit 1. Close half the position before New York session, then hit stop loss at below break even. That's not true. Hit take profit 1. Very small risk to reward. Should have used top of Asia highs for more profits. Okay, that's how we could have improved the trade. Then we hit stop loss at below break even. So it was basically a break even trade. We entered on a 5-minute break of structure and a fair value gap. Give me 1 second here, guys. Okay, so as you can see, we also back tested 4 trades on this chart right here. And let's start with London. I think we took 2 wins and 2 losses. So the first one was a long, also small. I've been getting such small wins recently for some reason. a 0.2% win. 4 hours bullish, 30-minute had a bearish structure with a bullish order flow. I said another small / break even trade, XD. I closed out before New York session for slight profit, and we entered on a 5-minute break of structure and inverse fair value gap. So let's take a look at that on the charts really quickly. Today is the 12th, and as you can see, nothing really happened here. We just closed it out at break even right here. The next one was a loss, unfortunately. Let's get into that. Oh wait, hold on. Oh wait, here was our first trade. A little bit of nothing pretty much, but it was a little bit of profit. We closed out here tiny bit. Our next one was another win. This was like barely anything. New York session trade. 0.6% win, not so bad. 4 hours bullish, 30-minute was bearish or bullish. You know, it was kind of ranging. I said this was one of the weirdest trades I've taken. It was another small win. I took out a half or a quarter, I don't remember, of our trade at Asia session open, and then we'd take profit one, boing, and then stop loss, which was at break even. We entered on a 5-minute break of structure and a fair value gap. So as you can see over here, our next trade was a loss in the London session on the GBP JPY. Inverse fair value gap, my bad. This was a big loss, 2% loss. 4 hours bullish, 30-minute was bearish, structure with a bullish order flow. I said this was a bad trade. We entered on low confluences. 5-minute break of structure, liquidity sweep, and the 30 structure was bearish. 30-minute structure was bearish, so it was a weak bias. Therefore, it wasn't a good trade. We had a weak bias and a weak entry confluences. So in total, it was a bad trade, and it amounted to a loss. So you can see it over here. The confluences are in here somewhere. We entered on this level, and then it just hit our stop loss. And our last trade. Where's our last trade, bro? I'm pretty sure let's just go over it right here, man, because it should still be here. Our last trade was a loss, but we lost because of news. The 4 hours bullish, 30-minute was bullish, and I longed, but we lost 2%. I said this was a good trade. We got very unlucky with news. We got swept one candle after entering. So as we entered, the next candle was news, so it swept our stop loss and then hit almost all of our take profits. Always check for news. So this is an unrealistic trade. We wouldn't have taken it in real life because I always check for news before I trade. We entered on a 5-minute break of structure and an inverse fair value gap. And wow, we boys and girls and ladies and gents, there is some thunder. You've been thunderstruck. You've been thunderstruck. It's still a bit laggy. I think I'll fix that for next video, but thank you all for watching. Make sure to check that Instagram out. Make sure to follow it, maybe repost it if you want to, like, subscribe as well, please. And I'm just yapping until I can show you when this trade loads. I guess I'll pause it for you guys. Oh my gosh, guys, this lightning is insane. It's raining so heavily. It's literally flooding. My room is flooding. Water is coming in from under the doors. Hopefully I will make it through tonight in Sri Lanka. Woo! You guys hear that lightning, right? Yeah, that is loud. If I open the door, I think I'm just gonna drown. The door, wait! Sure. Okay, it's closed, but guys, this is some insane weather. Thank you all for watching, and I'll go over this trade in this one. Alright guys, due to technical weather issues, this is not loading, so I'll have to not show you it. Bye.